How to unfollow everyone on TikTok. So the very first thing you want to make sure that your application TikTok is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on your following list. So these are the people that you follow on TikTok. But in here, you should know that there is no any option or the feature where you are able to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. You have to unfollow manually in order to do so. But if you have lots of followers and if it's hard for you to unfollow one by one, then what you want to do is go back and click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Head over to Settings and Privacy. In here, scroll all the way down and click on Report a Problem. Click on Search and then tap on Other. In here, you have to click on Need More Help. The TikTok help desk will open for you. Now what you want to do is, in the message section, you have to state the problem that you have been facing on TikTok. You simply have to write that you're having a difficulty in unfollowing everyone on TikTok. Please help me unfollow everyone as soon as possible. And then send this message to them. Once you have sent the message, now within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.